Yo, what up guys? Today I'm gonna do an unboxing video. Here I have my products that I just bought. Really good deal on Black Friday. Picked up this MSI Optics G27C2. It's a 144 Hertz refresh rate. It's a great monitor. Pull it up. It's a great monitor. It has 144 Hertz refresh rate. Like I said, it's 27 inches, and best part is that it's FreeSync, but it's compatible with G-Sync technology, so I can basically hook it up with G-Sync. And here I have a Yeti Nano that I picked up as well. All of these products will be in the link in the description below. So here is the Yeti Nano from Blue. It's really good mic. I picked it up. Its retail price is $100, but I picked it up for $70, which is a great deal. And here's a Logitech C920S. It's pretty budget friendly. It's just 30 FPS. It's 1080, and yeah, it's pretty basic. So I'm gonna start off with unboxing my monitor. Here's the leg piece. That would be the support of the monitor, of course. We got some wrapping, some screws, and I think this is a warranty. I'm guessing some papers. We got a good old display port. Very good. And wow, wait, hold up. Oh no, this is the HDMI cable, and this is the display port. Pretty sick. I mean, it's obviously expected from MSI. Really good gaming product company. Here's the other support piece for the monitor. Pretty sick. Here it is. Here's my puppy. I'm gonna leave this here and unbox the rest of the products. Here's our Yeti Nano Blue. Great mic. Got a couple of papers, you know, manual, probably warranty. Yep. Oh, actually, here's a manual. You know, they're right there. Looks pretty, very good boxing. It's has a very well design, and it's packaged very well, so I'll give props to Blue for that. And here is the USB, because this is a USB mic condenser. Let's be careful. Wow, this thing is beautiful. As you can see, here's the volume toggle, and if you press it down, it clicks, and that mutes the mic. And back here are the two patterns, which is cardioid and omnidirectional. Pretty basic version of the regular Blue Yeti mics, but it's a smaller version, and honestly, it's great price. Very great price. It's worth it. And here's this puppy. Very good quality. Here is where you're gonna hook up the USB cord so you can plug it into your computer, and there's the headphone jack so you can also listen to yourself while you're streaming. Here's the webcam, the C920S. It's a Pro HD webcam from Logitech. You know, they're very reliable with their webcams. It's got full HD 1080p and for 30 FPS, and I picked it up with on a good price from Black Friday deals for $70 as well. So very budget friendly. It also came with the privacy cover, which is really cool, and just an extra for your privacy needs. Here's the actual camera, and it's looks very nice, very neat. It's got the USB end, and here you can see is the mount part where you can use it to hook it up to your PC, laptop, anything. It's very good quality.
And that'll be it for today, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now, to clarify things up, I did record that video a while ago, and the prices for all the items might have changed, but nevertheless, I'm gonna leave the link in the description below so you guys can check them out. And always be aware for Black Friday deals, because that's basically when I got it, around November, when there was really good deals. This is what turned out. I just bought a microphone arm and I hooked it up, and now I use this to record. And here's a camera installed. It has the little protector for privacy. Also, check out my Fiverr account. I just uploaded 2 new gigs. In one of them, I edit videos for any YouTube channels, and in the second one, I'm building PCs. So if you're interested, link is gonna be in the description below. And yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, hit that post notification bell icon, and stay in tune for my next videos. If you like any of this format, like vlogging or unboxing videos, leave a comment below. Peace.